Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to support your skin's appearance naturally, then you're in the right place because today I'm going to talk about the Alavida Regenerating System, a science-backed approach to skincare from LifeWave that works both day and night. So this is a four-step system designed to support your healthy skincare routine, and it combines phototherapy patches, which look like this, right? We've seen these before, um, with advanced skincare creams and lotions to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promote healthier, firmer looking skin and brighten your complexion. So we're going to start out with step one, and I'm going to share my screen so you can see these products. The first step is the Alavida patch. Okay, it's about the size of a quarter. They're waterproof and they are a form of phototherapy. They're going to be emitting specific frequencies of light. They support your body's natural restorative energy. And with consistent use, you may notice smoother looking skin, more even complexion, radiant glow. The best part of this is just like all of our other patching products, they're completely drug-free, chemical-free, stimulant-free. So how do you use the patch? Well, for best results, you're going to apply one Alavida patch to dry clean skin every night before bed. So this is something you're going to wear when you're sleeping, this particular patch. Let me show you the official directions. So it will come with these directions and there'll be directions for all of the creams as well, but here's the English directions for the patch. Apply one patch each night before going to bed. Remove the liner from the adhesive backing using the adhesive side of the patch to secure the patch in place. And place one patch on the body using one of the locations shown on page 6. I'm going to show you that in a second. Apply the patch to clean, dry skin before retiring and to bed. And then patch must be worn up to 12 hours before discarding. Use a new patch for each application. And these are the locations. So you can either wear this behind the neck or below the belly button. And you'll wear the patch for up to 12 hours and then remove it, throw it away, and then use this daily for optimal benefits. And before I go further to explain the creams, please like this video if so far it's helpful. Subscribe to my channel and email me if you have questions about LifeWave products or the LifeWave business. Be an honor to help you, and look down in the description below for my email address and also my LifeWave ordering link. So now let's get back to what I want to share about LifeWave Alavida, the skincare line. So step number 2 is this bottle, kind of the medium-sized bottle. It's the Daily Refresh Facial Nectar, and it's a lightweight moisturizing formula. It helps protect the skin while improving its appearance. And this daily application, it can reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, brighten your complexion, support balanced skin tone. Wonderful. Step number 3 is this tallest bottle. This is the Nightly Restore Facial Cream. Now, just like the day cream, the company recommends you apply this to both your face and your neck. It's in the instructions that you are to consider putting this on your neck as well, because as you know, as we age, we all start showing signs of aging on our neck. So this cream, the night cream, will be used while you're sleeping. And this rich, nourishing cream, it really goes to work. I love this one. So it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightens your complexion, and all while providing moisture. Okay, then step number 4 is the smallest bottle. This is the magic eye cream. They call it Alavida Revive Eye Cream. And this product is meticulously crafted. It brings really the best out in your skin. It is infused with copper peptides, and the powerful formula helps to brighten the complexion, support the appearance of firm skin, and improve the look of even skin tone. So, how do you use the eye cream? Well, you apply it around the eye area each morning, and if desired, can do it at night as well. And there really is power in this entire lineup being used, not just one product at a time, although they can be purchased separately. But each product is great on its own. But I'm telling you, when it's combined, this system offers a very complete skincare solution and really supports your skin being more radiant and having vitality. It's a powerful combination of products. So it's, in my opinion, a perfect way to embrace the natural, effective approach to skincare without using any harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. If you're ready to experience this Alavida skincare line, please check again the description below. My email address is there, my ordering link is there. If you have questions, for sure email me. I'd love to help you. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.